Hey guys, this is Robert, and here's the package. So let's open up and see what's inside. There's tax fifth. There's Texas Avenue. Oh. There we have his Sandos, and we have a book about obscure, hilarious, dramatic, and inspiring tale worthy known of the Olympic Games. Pretty thick. And here's the sandals. I need to replace my sandals, so I use my Amex Sex Fifth credit on. Supposed to be athletic sandals or something. Super soft. Okay. Official seal. The original made in Brazil. Advance. Oh yeah. This is what I use my Amex Sex Fifth credit on. If you're interested in either of these items, the link will be in the description below. And that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.